So friends, let me start this video with the most interesting arrangement question. So here is the question. So totally there are 7 lecturers, A to G will go to 7 different universities. So friends, totally there are 7 lecturers, right? And they are going to 7 different universities. For example, IIT Madras, then Shivaji University. Totally there are 7 different universities, and also each lecturers there are expert in some topics such as computers, agriculture, biotechnology, etc. And everyone is taking a lecture starting from Monday to Sunday. So our target is who is taking which topic and in which university he or she is taking, and also we need to find on which day, right? It's one of the most interesting arrangement, friends. Let me move on to the first point. A gives lecturer in Indian Institute of Science either in economics or biotechnology. So friends, the person A is giving a lecture in IIT Science, right? So he is giving IIT Indian Institute of Science, and also his lecture topic is either economics or otherwise biotechnology. So it can be an economics or otherwise it can be a biotechnology, right? Okay friends, point number 2. The person give lecturer on the 7th day of the week went to University of Mumbai. 7th day of the week will be definitely on Sunday, right? So Sunday will be the person who is going to University of Mumbai. So let me fix this. 7th day will be University of Mumbai. It's a direct statement, right? Mumbai. Okay. So next is a person who gives a lecture on 7th day of the week went to University of Mumbai and he is expert in chemistry. It's a direct statement. So finally we can say that this person is expert in chemistry. Okay friends, C does not give lecture in biotechnology. Friends, listen here. A is either economics or biotechnology. Now they are saying that the person C does not gives a lecture in biotechnology. So let me take it as a clue that C is not biotechnology. Okay friends, next point. B takes the lecture on Wednesday. So friends, it's a direct statement. So B is taking lecture on Wednesday. So let me fix B here. And he is not expert in computer and also economics. The person B who is taking lecture on Wednesday, he is not expert in computer and also economics, right? So this person is not expert in computer and also this person is not expert in economics. The lecturer who takes guest lecture in agriculture went on Thursday. It's a direct statement, friends. It's agriculture, right? So Thursday it will be agriculture, but we don't know who took the topic agriculture, right? Okay friends, and neither in University of Delhi nor Shivaji University. So the person who took agriculture on Thursday, but this seminar is not held in Shivaji University and also not held in University of Delhi. Okay. So A is from IIT, right? There are many possible, friends, right? Let me move on to the next point, friends. Let me read all the points completely. So next point is D delivers lecture in electronics in Osmania University except on Monday and also in Tuesday, right? So person, it's a direct statement. D is delivering electronics, right? So let me take it as a clue that the person D is taking electronics, but this person is not taking a seminar on Monday or otherwise he is not taking seminar on Tuesday. But another important thing, he is from Osmania University, right? So different name, I don't know whether it's Osmania University. Okay, he is from Osmania University. It's a direct statement, right? So we should not fix D here. So this is not the place for D and also this is not the place for D. Okay friends, C delivers lecture at Banaras University and takes lecture one day before D. So friends, it's a direct statement, but we have lot of possibilities, right? Listen here friends, the person C is delivers a lecture in Banaras University. It's a direct statement, so we can fix the person B is taking, the person C is taking a seminar in Banaras University. It's a direct statement, but before D, right? We already know that D is electronics and he is not on Monday, Tuesday. So friends, I think let me read all the points completely, friends. G does not went on Thursday. So friends, the person G is not on Thursday, so we can't able to place G here. And the next point is on the 2nd day of the week. So 2nd day will be Tuesday. So F gives a lecture in Shivaji University. So friends, this is the place for F, right? So we can say that, and E gives a lecture in Shivaji University. Okay. So this is not Shivaji University, so we have fixed the university, Shivaji University. So this is not the place for University of Delhi, right? Okay friends, next point is the lecturer who deliver lectures on Friday is not expert in computer. So Friday is not expert in computer and also not expert in biotechnology and also economics, right? So these three region is not expert who the person who is taking seminar in Friday. So friends, that's it, the question is completed, right? So we need to, by using this clue, we need to fix this arrangement, no other way. Friends, listen here friends, we can't able to fix D here, and we already know that before D the person C should be placed, right? And the person C is not interested in biotechnology, friends. So I think if I place, listen here friends, if I place D here, assume that I am fixing D here. If I fix D here, then we already know that D is taking electronics. If I fix D here, then this is chemistry, so this is not the right place for D. So if I fix D here, assume that I am fixing D here, and we already know that the person C is not taking biotechnology, and this region is not for biotechnology, so we can surely say that this is the region for C, right? So if I fix D here, and this D should be electronics. So D is electronics, and the person D is from Osmania University. Okay, so next is, this is C, right? So C is from Banara University. Okay, so C is from Banara University, and next is we need to fix, so electronics Monday or Tuesday. Okay, so A is from IIT, and E is economics or biology. Listen here friends, we can't able to fix A here, and also if I fix A here, this should be biotechnology, or otherwise it should be economics. No possible friends. So only one possible that I should fix A here, but we don't know it's economics or biotechnology. So if this is A, then we can say that definitely it is from Indian Institute of Science, right? But there are two possible, either it can be economics or otherwise it can be a biotechnology. Okay friends, next is, so we should not place G here, so only one possible that I should place G here. So A, B, C, D, and only one is remaining, this should be E, right? So finally we have fixed all the persons. So it is electronics, chemistry. So friends, listen here friends, it is not the University of Delhi, right? So definitely we can say that it should be University of Delhi. Then remaining only one university, that is IIT Madras. So this should be an IIT Madras. Okay friends, so finally we have fixed all the universities, right? So friends, listen here, this is not this is agriculture, and we should not place economics, computer, and similarly we should not place computer here. So only one possible that this should be computer, friends, right? And another important thing, this is not biotechnology, and also this is not economics. So if these two region is not economics, so only one possible that this should be definitely economics, right? If this is economics and we can't able to place biotechnology here, so this should be biotechnology, and the remaining only one subject is missing, so which is history, right? Biotechnology, computer, so history. So only one topic is missing, that is history should be. So friends, one of the most interesting arrangement, very most interesting arrangement. Why? Because only with the certain clues we need to fix all this in arrangement, right? So friends, try to practice more number of arrangement like this, because these are the questions that is from Monday to Sunday, or otherwise a lucky number based. So these are the questions are repeatedly seen in all the prelims exam like IBPS, SBA, PO. So try to concentrate more number of puzzles that contains Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday, like that. So friends, let me move on to the next section. So friends, let me move on to case-led question. So friends, here is the question. In a college, there are 900 students who are doing postgraduate in any one subject. So out of 5 different subjects, that is zoology, botany, maths, physics and chemistry. Okay friends, let me move on to the first point. The ratio between boys and girls among those is 5:4. So friends, total will be 900. So out of 900, 5:4 will be ratio of boys and girls. If it is 5:4, then we can surely say that male will be 500, then female will be 400, right? So the ratio will be 5:4. And the total will be 900, right? So total number of students who are in this college will be 900. Okay friends, second point. 20% of total girls are doing PG in zoology, friends. So zoology will be 20% of females. 10% will be 40, 20% will be 80. So 80 will be in females who are studying in zoology, that is PG, right? So next is 25% of total girls are doing PG in statistics. So friends, girls statistics, which is 25%, friends. We already know that 20% will be 80, 5% will be 20. So 80 plus 20 will be 100. So finally we can say that 100 will be the total number of females who are doing PG in statistics. Total number of students doing PG in botany is 220. So botany total will be 220, right? So it's total, which is 220. So let me frame a tabular column, friends, like this, so that we won't make any mistake while solving it. So better in your exams, just frame a tabular column. Okay friends, so total number, that is 220 who are doing botany, right? Okay, next is total who are doing PG in mathematics is 150. So total mathematics, which is 150. Respective ratio between the number of girls and number of boys doing PG in statistics is 2:3. So friends, statistics where the ratio of girl is to boy will be 2:3 friends. Listen here friends, 2:3. So friends, the ratio in statistics will be 2:3 friends. If 2 parts is 100, then we can surely say that the 3 parts will be 150. So 150 will be the total number of males doing PG in statistics, and the females will be 100 in statistics, right? So there are in a ratio 2:3, that is male will be 3 part and female will be 2 part, which is they are calling us 2:3 ratio, female is to male. So 20%, 20% of total number of boys are doing PG in botany. So friends, botany will be 20% of total number of males, right? So 10% will be 50 and 20% will be 100. So 100 will be the total of males who are doing PG in botany. Okay friends, next is the ratio between number of girls and boys doing PG in mathematics will be 1:2. So friends, the mathematic ratio is 1:2 ratio friends, that is girls is to boys, which is most important, right? So friends, 1:2, then we already know that mathematics total number of students are 150. So finally we can say that 50 will be girls and 100 will be boys, so that the total ratio will be 1:2 ratio, right? Okay friends, the remaining values are physics, zoology. Okay, let me move on to the remaining point friends. There are equal number of boys and girls who are doing PG in physics. So PG in physics, there are equal number of boys and girls, right? But we need to find what is the total. Okay, so friends, listen here, we know statistics 150 and 100, the resultant will be 250, right? So 250 will be the total number of students who are doing statistics. And botany, we already know that 100 are male, then the remaining 120 will be females. So next is, we know 80 here, but we know what about 2 values. Okay friends, let me move on to the last point friends. 180 students are doing PG in zoology. So zoology, 180 students friends. So 180 will be total. 180 students are doing, total number of students are 180 in zoology. We already know that females will be 80, so the males will be 100. So friends, listen carefully friends. We already know that physics both are male and females are same. So if we find what is the total number of students who are studying physics, then it is easy to find this value, right? So 180 plus 220 plus 150 plus 250, we need to add all the values, and also we need to subtract with the total 900 students, so that we can easily find what is the total number of students who are studying PG in physics. So friends, 180 plus 200 friends, which is 400, right? So 550, so 550, 650, 750, 800. So the remaining will be 100, right? So the remaining 100 will be the total number of students who are doing PG in physics. We already know that both are equal, so we can say that 50 and 50. So friends, finally we have solved one of the interesting aptitude question. So these are the questions are so easy. If they ask a question like that, it is so easy. But always remember that try to frame a tabular column properly. Why? Because if you write here and there all the values, then after finding all the values, solving the remaining 5 questions will be little bit tricky. So just draw a tabular column properly and calculate all the values, so that you can easily, though it takes 2 or 3 minutes to solve this tabular column, but after solving this tabular column, solving remaining 5 questions based on this paragraph will be so easy, right? So friends, practice a lot. Caselet is one of the expected question in upcoming IBPS PO exams. Right, we move on to syllogism question. So all forces are energies, right? So all forces are energies. And the second statement is all energies are powers, right? So all energies are power. And the third statement is no power is heat, right? So no power is heat. So friends, listen here friends, by seeing the Venn diagram itself, we can surely say that no power is heat. Then we can surely say that no heat is energy, and also no heat is force. Because if there is no power is heat, then there is no link between heat and energy, and also there is no link between heat and force. So friends, let me move on to the first set of conclusion. Some force are definitely not powers. So friends, they are saying that some force are definitely not powers, but in this Venn diagram all forces are powers. And how they can say that some forces are not powers? So which is exactly wrong. So the first conclusion does not follows. Second conclusion is no heat is force, and we already know that there is no connection between heat and energy, and also there is no connection between heat and force, and they are saying that no heat is force, which is exactly correct. So the second conclusion follows. So for the first set of conclusion, 2 alone follows. Second set of conclusion, no energy is heat. So friends, that's correct, right? Why? Because we already know that there is no connection between heat and energy, and we can't able to connect heat and energy. Why? Because there is no connection between heat and power, so that we can't able to connect heat and energy, and also heat and force. And the conclusion says no energy is heat, which is exactly correct. So conclusion 1 follows. So conclusion number 2, some forces being heat is a possibility. Some forces being heat is a possible, which is because some forces is not at all heat, and we can't able to connect force and heat to how it is possible, right? So finally we can say that second conclusion does not follows. So for this syllogism question, for the first set of conclusion 2 alone follows, and the second set of conclusion 1 alone follows. Reverse syllogism question, some elephants are being cat is a possibility, some tigers are being elephant is a possibility. So friends, both the conclusion is a possibility case. Always remember that if all the parameters are inside a single Venn diagram, possibility follows, which is most important concept, right? So statement number A is all cats are dogs, some elephants are dogs, and no tiger is elephant. So friends, listen here friends, statement number A, they are saying no elephant is tiger, and we already know that we need to prove a conclusion that some tigers are being elephant is a possibility. So definitely say that statement number A is eliminated. Why? Because they are saying there is no link between tiger and elephant. So the second statement is no elephant is dog. Okay, no elephant is dog, all dogs are cats. Statement number 2 can be an answer, right? So let me move on to statement number 3, no tiger is elephant. So no tiger is elephant, again statement number 3 is eliminated. Statement number 4 is also eliminated. So still we have 2 statements, I think statement number 2 and also statement number 5. So friends, listen here friends, if it is a possibility, so we already know that all the parameters should be inside a single Venn diagram, so that we can say that possibility follows. I think statement number 5, some and all. So all the 3 statements are positive statements, so we can definitely say that statement number E is correct, 100% is correct. Why? Because some cats are dog, positive statement, some elephants are dog, positive statement, and all tigers are cats, it's a positive statement. So all the 3 statements are positive, so statement number E follows. But statement number 2, all dogs are cat. So let me go for statement number 2, all cats are dog, right? So second will be no elephant is dog. So no elephant is dog, and all tigers are cats. So all tigers are cats. Okay. So the first conclusion is some elephants being cat is a possibility. It's not at all possible, friends, because they are saying that no dog is elephant. So how some elephants can be cat is a possible? Definitely it is not possible. So we can say that the second option, that is statement B, will be eliminated. So only one statement, that is statement number 5, will be the answer. So friends, don't forget to watch all my previous videos, which is posted I think 1 month back, 2 videos which is based on reverse syllogism. So don't forget to watch all those videos, which is most important. I am repeatedly saying one concept, if all the parameters are inside a single Venn diagram, possibility follows. If all the parameters are inside a single Venn diagram, no conclusion does not follows. If all the parameters are inside a single Venn diagram, some not conclusion does not follows, right? So let me move on to the next question. Let me move on to equation question. So 14x square minus 37x plus 24 is equal to 0. So first of all, we need to multiply this 14 into 24. So friends, our target to bring minus 37, right? So I think this 14 can be written as 7 2s are 14. So 24 can be written as 8 3s are 24, right? So I think 37. So 7 3s are 21, 8 2s are 16, friends. I think when we add both the numbers, the resultant will be minus 37. So here it is plus 21 and minus 16. So we can say that minus 21 minus 16. So when we multiply both the numbers, the resultant will be positive. So when we add both the numbers, the resultant will be minus 37. But before x square, we have a constant 14. So divide by 14, divide by 14. I think we can cancel this on 7 table 2, and when we cancel this on 7 table 3. and this can be cancelled as on 2 table, right? So when we cancel this on 2 table, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. So finally we can say that the factors x1, here it is minus 3 by 2, but while writing it should be plus 3 by 2, and here it is minus 8 by 7, but while writing it should be plus 8 by 7. So finally we have found the factors for x1 and x2. So try to find the factors within 10 seconds, right? So 2y square minus 53y plus 54. So similarly we need to multiply this 28 into 24. So 7 4s are 28. So this 24 can be done as 8 3s are 24. So our target to bring minus 53, right? So minus 53. So 7 into 3 will be 21, 8 into 4 will be 32. So 21 32 will be 53, but our target to bring minus 53, right? So minus 21 and minus 32. When we add both the numbers, the resultant will be minus 53. So before y square we have a constant 28 divided by 28. So I think we can cancel this on 7 table, friends. When we cancel this on 7 table, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. I think we can cancel this on here it is 3 by 2, right? So when we cancel this on 4 table, so 8 4s are 32, right? So 8 4s are 32, 7 4s are 28, so 8 by 7. But while writing the factors, y1 will be 3 by 4 and y2 will be 8 by 7. So finally we found the factors of x and y. Now we need to compare this 3 by 2, 8 by 7. So 3 by 4, 8 by 7. So 3 by 4, 8 by 7. So finally we can say that both the values will be equal to, just cross it, 8 4s are 32, 7 3s are 21. So 32 21, 32 will be greater than. 7 3s are 21, 8 2s are 16, 21 will be greater than. 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, so 12 will be greater than. So finally we can say that while comparing all the x value with y values, so x is greater than y, x is greater than y, x is greater than y, but at the finally x is equal to y. So finally we can say the answer for this equation, that is x is greater than or equal to y for this question. So friends, always remember that 10 seconds for finding both the factors, totally 20 seconds. So take 10 seconds or 5 seconds to find the comparing, right? So after that you can easily crack an equation within 30 seconds. So always aim to crack an equation within 30 seconds.